Donner Harmonic Square. And so the reason I'm doing this video is because I want to show what this does, what this can do in an interesting way, the things that this can do. I only paid $35 for it on Amazon, so it was the most cost-effective effects pedal for the cost, for what it can do. So my guitar normally, it's clean guitar, and then you add the Donner. Now you can run totally wet, so it turns your guitar into a bass, and it doesn't play the notes, only the ones that you want, or you can use anywhere in between there. But what I like to do is I like it totally wet, and then solo stuff sort of lost in that. And then without distortion, kind of gives it a really, especially if you switch to the Oriental sound with your bridge pickup or neck pickup. So it's the Donner Harmonic Square.